Blah, 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 blah.
Girl, what?
Bitch, just follow me already.
What are you on?
Yo, meet Tyrone.
Peekaboo. Oh, it's a zesty one.
Who the fuck you calling zesty?
Damn.
I'm gonna diddle you.
Get away.
How about I don't? What the hell was that, twin? Oh fuck, it's the OCD. Just get the fuck up. Get the fuck up already.
How the fuck are you not getting that?
Oh, finally. Fuck. Come on, man, just let me have this already.
Oh, he sure is autistic.
Please just fucking stand up, bro. I'm gonna actually cry.
Fine, just let me do it, you ADHD tiger, okay? It's like that.
Oh.
How do you not know how to do that?
Yo, teach me. Fuck.
Just let them already.
Yo, it's fine. Don't crash out over it.
Really? You can't crash out over things?
Oh, fucking course you can.
By the way, Jimmy wants to meet you, by the way.
What?